First, ensure regular lubricant replacements. All types of heavy equipment rely on lubricants for better functioning. These liquids reduce friction around moving parts, which in turn decreases wear and tear. The lubricants also help keep the interior of heavy machines clean by preventing soot buildup. Keep the following in mind. Check the lubricant level frequently. Also, look for excessive grease buildup and oil seal leaks regularly. Always use a lubricant prescribed in the operator's manual or recommended by the manufacturer. Use the right amount of lubricant. With too little use of lubricant, you can run the risk of increased friction and wear and tear. Excessive lubrication, on the other hand, will build up grease and cause performance issues.